Jean-Marc Sohier and I'm currently Director of Concawe for approximately 4 years after more than 30 years in the refining and petrochemical industry. My extensive background includes both operational roles, such as Director General of a polymer plant in a petroleum refinery, and scientific positions, notably as Vice President for Research and Development. In my past experience and on the different continents where I've worked, USA, Europe, Asia, Middle East, I've always had the opportunity to have women colleagues at different levels of the hierarchy. From engineers and researchers to operation managers, major project managers and general managers. And I have continually been impressed by the quality of their work. Furthermore, I've always experienced that teams are more efficient and more innovative when there is a well-balanced gender diversity. This is, happily, the situation at Concawe. Concawe is developing scientific and technical work on the impact of our industry and the use of our products on the environment and on health. Our teams have developed specific expertise in different fields, such as the modeling of air quality, toxicity, ecotoxicity. At Concawe, we take pride in having many talented women in our teams, contributing to the quality of the work of the association. I've always promoted gender diversity, and I would love to come to a situation of being a representative of the gender minority in the work environment before retiring.